If you are a credit repair company, stop doing this now. Now, one of my students in our private 30-day CRA Facebook group asked whether buying an email list is a good idea. So I figured I'd answer this for all my people. No, do not pass go. Do not collect 200 random emails from a company that's selling them. Let me tell you why you shouldn't buy random emails, but first, let me introduce myself. My name is Dominique Brown. I'm the owner and creator of 30-day CRA program. I help people just like you grow profitable credit repair companies so you can have time freedom, financial freedom, and the location freedom that you deserve. I do this by showing you how to get more leads, more sales, and better results. Now, why shouldn't you buy emails? Well, your email list could get shut down because email providers state in the fine print that you cannot upload a list that you bought. Also, people may report you as spam, and I mean, do you really blame people for marking your email as spam when they didn't intentionally sign up to your list? This leads me to my biggest reason why buying lists is bad. An email list, however large, is not viable if it's not full of quality leads. Sure, companies will promote that they sell most targeted lists ever, but there's no guarantee of this. That's why I also don't recommend hiring a marketing company to create ad campaigns to get leads for you either. Their focus is to give you quantity, not quality. You could pay for thousands of leads and not convert one. The more effective way to go about start building your email list: create highly valuable content on social media to draw on attention. Create a great offer that people need to give you their email to get. Of course, you can network offline, and don't downplay the power of word of mouth. We all start our email list at zero, and you might think buying some emails will be a nice shortcut. Unfortunately, this isn't the shortcut you want to take. It'll be more of a headache than it's worth. Devoting your time to cultivating a new and highly engaged email list is better use of your time than begging a cold email list to buy from you. Oh, by the way, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and check out the description below this video. We have updated links to our best programs and offerings that can help you reach your goals faster. We look forward to helping you reach your goals, and we can't wait to talk to you in the next video.